Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can control an Arduino module using Python. Okay, so first things first, you need to install the library. Okay, you need to install the library and the module you need. So for this tutorial you'll be needing PySerial. So yeah, let's install PySerial. And after you install PySerial, you're going to do two codes. One code is for Arduino, which is here, all right, and the other one is Python. Okay, so I'm going to put the codes or the links where I placed the code, where my GitHub links are in the description box. So be sure to check it if you want to have a copy of this code. So yeah, so since you'll not be needing a lot of coding things here, okay, so let's just try to implement, okay, or try to run the program. Okay, make sure that your Arduino is connected. So I'm going to connect it using this USB cable. Um, yeah. So you'll be using COM port number 16. So make sure that it's declared in your program. Okay, so that blinking means that your module is working. So we'll be running Python now. Okay, so this is the Python script, and you will have an interface. That means you can like switch on and off this particular LED at will. That means you can control any servo, um, any mechanisms that has something to do with logic, like well, if it's controlled by a transistor that acts as a switch that can turn on and off, let's say for example motor or fire extinguisher, something like that. So it depends on the application that you're going to develop. So this means that the simple video can be really functional depending on how you're going to design. Okay, and yeah, depends on you. Okay, so let's run it. So you will see here a GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, alright. So I hope you'll be seeing this. So if I click this toggle LED, there you go. So it turned on, and if I toggle it again, it will turn off. So that's how it is. Okay, so I tried to change the LED from yellow to uh, red because I think that's more noticeable. And I will try to rerun the program again. I'm gonna click play, and you see the program is still working, and I have here the toggle. Okay, so once I turn it on, it should light, and the red should light should be seen. And yes, it's toggled on, and the red light is on. Okay, toggle it again, and will turn off. That means these codes are successful. The codes are very simple, but it's really functional. All right. So let's say, for example, you want to control a sprinkler. Okay, that will water your plants, something like that, or you want to control your water pump anywhere. Like say for example, you are somewhere abroad and you're here, and your farm is here in the Philippines, and you want that sprinkler to turn on. It can be possible. It's doable. Okay. Um, yeah. So it's very powerful. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell down below, and see you for more videos. Bye.